Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing the question Ashishgup and the interviews. So, what has been said in this question is Ashishgup wants to conduct interview to hire people to work for him. He decided to automate the interview process to save time. The server asks and problems to interview and stores the amount of time a candidate takes to solve each problem. More formally, the data is stored as an array where ith integer ai denotes the time the candidate took to solve the ith problem. Note that ai equals -1 denotes the candidate was not able to solve the ith problem. Can you? So we have to automate this process and we have to give the following verdict. Rejected if the candidate was able to solve the problem which was less than ceil of n minus n by 2. Too slow if candidate was has taken more than 8 seconds to solve any of the problem. If these two conditions are not met and if the candidate has not taken more than 1 second to solve any question, then he was a bot. Otherwise, accepted. So this was the whole of the question. Now let's go to the test cases. So this is the test case for this. 7 questions was given and K, the threshold value was 30. If he took more than 30 seconds, then he was too slow to solve the questions. But it will meet the first condition only because he was not able to solve 4 questions. Okay, and overall question is 7. So 7 by 2 is 3.5 and ceil of 3.5 is 4. But 4 is not less than 4. So he will be rejected. This condition. I am talking about this condition. Okay. 4 is not less than this because it has been told strictly less, not equal. Okay. So 4 is not less than. So he will be rejected here. And in second case, what has been done is all the questions have been solved because we can't find any -1 here. And in any question, the person has not taken more than 1 second. So he was a bot. In the third question, he has take he okay. In the third question, he hasn't solved one question, but he so and he has solved 4 questions, which is more than ceil of 6 by 2, that is 3. He and like he is not a bot also because first he has not solved all the question and that is the condition for bot. Like he has to solve all the question and all the questions should not take more than 1 second, but he hasn't solved one question, so he was a human man, so accepted. So these are the test cases. So it was a quite simple problem. Now let me show you the code for this. So this is the code I have taken input here, and after that I have declared three variables, pool variables, and initialized it to false. Then I have kept a counter. Now if I am counting how many are not -1, means how many questions he has solved. Okay, and this I have used here. If ceil is more than this, then he is rejected, and rejected I have made true. So else if one, and then after that I have done is if AI he has taken any question longer than k seconds, then I have done longer is true, and this I have used here. If longer is true and he is not rejected, then he is he will be too slow. This line I guess we don't need. Okay, then what I have done here, I have been counting uh, for bot. I am checking for bot here. If he has solved all the questions and each is not more than one, each means he hasn't taken any more than 1 second. If this is true, like if he has solved all the questions, then x will be equal to n number of questions. And if he has done this case, if it is this case, then bot will be true. If bot is true and other two cases are not true, I don't think with if else condition we need this, but I have done few changes, so it's like that. So if bot is true, then bot, otherwise it's accepted. So this was the code for this. I hope you got the logic behind this. So thank you for watching this video.